Hello, in front of me I've got Honda Jazz. In this video I'll show you how to start navigation route. In the beginning, let's go to navigation and tap where to. Now, enter keyword or address. Select the address and tap Go.
Please drive to highlighted route.
To stop navigation route, press X. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.